So here we are, July the 11th, in front of the Supreme Court of Canada. This is our day off, supposedly, but we worked until 1:30 this afternoon, hunting down the successes we've had over the last 4 days of being at the House of Commons Standing Committee on Justice and Human Rights. As we sat in those hearings and listened to many people, what we watched, I guess it was transformative, is the reality that was being talked about, that prostitution is violence against women, and that there were many women, young women, older women, Linda and I, talking about the issue in Canada that we have to have equality under the laws of Canada, that Linda and I brought to the hearing, that population of women that we have come to know over the last 21 years, is that they suffered extreme violence which amounted to torture. Torture by, in this case related to prostitution, would be johns and pimps, and that includes parents, it includes guardians, it includes parents' friends, other family members, strangers who they were forcibly prostituted to. So we brought that definition into the hearings, and we even listened to Bridget Perrier, who appeared before us and spoke that she had been tortured as a child. She was also forced into prostitution as a very young child. So today, as we look for the evidence of what have we made a difference to the hearings, because we asked them to amend the Criminal Code of Canada 269.1, which is discriminatory, as it only will hold state actors accountable. That means government officials, MPs, police, military. We've asked them that this discrimination has to be removed. So we asked them to amend 269.1 so that they could recommend that the amendment be, once it is amended to 269.1, that it could be included in Bill C-36. So this morning, as Linda was busy hunting on the internet for all the evidence, we found that MP Joy Smith, she had an interview on TV, and she brought up the new awareness that torture did happen in prostitution. And Linda and I were extremely moved to hear that she mentioned it twice. And yesterday in the hearings, we heard other MPs bring up the word torture. So when we say that it feels transformative, the fact that torture was mentioned, that's very transformative for us, thinking that for 21 years we've tried to make that very clear.